Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So if you are thinking about a person who is stuck in your mind but you are not in contact with that person, so this reading is for you, Taurus, and we will see what is happening in this connection. Okay, overview of your energy, the person's energy in the connection, and let's see what do the cards have. This is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Taurus. The general energy in this connection, the person you are not in contact with and the person is still stuck in your mind, in your thoughts. Alright, the current energy is you are trying to focus or divert your work, divert your mind and heart maybe in different things so that you kind of do not focus on this connection any longer, because it's kind of causing you that emotional pain, mental trauma, tiredness at a mental level. And yes, so you are kind of trying to work on your, keeping yourself busy at work. For some of you, I also see it's like you are in a situation where you have to defend yourself again and again, or prove your importance, or bring, show what you bring to the table, basically. In table means in the relation. So yeah, for some of you that is what I think the current energy is, which is, kind of making you feel struggling a lot in a relationship, or maybe you are trying to reach out or put all the effort so that you can make this relation work. Even if you are not in touch with the person, you are still trying to figure out how you can make things better so that you can go ahead and continue a relation with this person in your mind right now you are not in contact with, though. Okay, yeah, let's see the person thoughts about you is person definitely has emotional connection for you, but for some or the other reason they don't express it. They do emotionally connect with you and they are trying to be, trying to communicate to you. For some of you, I also feel that there is a person who is at a far and looking at you, that you are struggling a lot in a particular relation and they are not liking it, and they want to be, available to you at an emotional level. Maybe they have feelings for you anyway. Even if you are working or you are already in a relation with somebody else, there may be another person who is watching you from a distance and is ready to offer you that emotional love, emotion support, love, care, and being emotionally available, but you are trying to, work on a connection which is kind of making you struggle a lot. Okay, let's clarify once more. The Ace of Cups. Oops. Yes, there is a person definitely looking at you from a distance, and they are like, they may be a very good friend of you or somebody in a mutual connection, and they definitely look for a growth with you in this connection. Okay, but from a distance, because you are already working on a connection with somebody else and you are kind of not looking at this person right now. Okay, let's see. What does this person basically feel for you, for whom you are struggling a lot, dear Taurus? Let's see. What does this person basically feel for you here? Feeling of this person for Taurus. What's the feeling of this person for Taurus? What's the feeling of this person for Taurus? Yes. Person sees that you are good, you are confident, you have everything, like materially you financially you are well settled, well established, but they also feel like you follow a particular, you come from a particular family, where you kind of follow a specific tradition which somewhere is, they may not be okay with. For some of you, okay, we'll clarify this 10 of Pentacles before I jump into any conclusion here. Let's clarify 10 of Pentacles, please. For Taurus, has a feeling for this, feeling of this person for Taurus. Please clarify 10 of Pentacles as feeling of this person for Taurus. Yes, yeah, this person feels like you are having everything, you are like, I own the world kind of thing, and somewhere this person is kind of, uh, it makes this person feel like you kind of rule the connection, or kind of have a upper hand in the connection, and which may not be the right thing, and somewhere because of all that they are not emotionally available to you, and which makes you feel that why is it happening, I am giving everything in this connection, but why I am not getting this emotional support I am looking for. And because of that, this person, knowingly or unknowingly for some of you, makes you to struggle at an emotional level, because maybe materialistically you have everything, but since you are craving for this emotional connection, and that is somewhere a weakness, this person looks into you. And yeah, I know this may not, this is going in a very specific direction, so may resonate with very few of you, specifically with anyone, but this is what I feel is happening with you, Taurus. The ego is so much involved here. Okay, why are they silent again? Queen of Pentacles. They feel you have everything, but you are somewhere looking for that emotional connection. Now this is very strong, and this is very clear that you materialistically you have everything, but you are looking for that emotional connection, that love, that nurturing, that caring thing in a relation. But this person just trying to have an upper hand and not giving you that emotional support, because of which you are struggling a lot at an emotional level, trying to give too much of your energy, too much of the efforts, more than what is actually required in a connection, so that you are kind of begging this person to stay back or give you the love you are actually looking for in a connection, but that is not happening. And that is somewhere giving this person, a sense of satisfaction. I don't know, this is not a good energy, but this is what is happening with many of you. Yeah, see, why are they silent? Because they want to take the upper hand here. They are trying to be, the strength of the relation by not being emotionally available. Guidance here for you is to, have patience, deal with maturity, don't do anything in immaturely, act in a very mature way. Yeah, because somewhere you are in this dicey mode, what to do, what not to do, because this person is also somewhere in a dicey mode, not sure of what do they want. They want somebody who is financially stable, or they want to stay in this connection, or for some of you, again, they may be dealing with another person also. Okay, so they are not sure whether to stay with you or to stay with another person. They are kind of dancing in a loop. That is what is blocking this connection. I will take this. Alright, this was the card. Okay, so the next move is, I think, this person who is watching you from a distance, right, that you are struggling so much at an emotional level, may come with an offer. And this person has a pure intention. This person is very pure, very, grounded, emotionally available, and is definitely ready to make a move towards you. I feel this very strongly, that this person is, now seeing your struggle, this person is like, I can go ahead and speak to Taurus. Let's see what Taurus will say. They are not thinking about it, but they are being very pure at intention, pure at heart, ready to make a move towards you. Yeah. What is the advice for you here, Taurus? Let's see. What's the advice for you? What is the advice for Taurus here? Okay. For you, the advice here is to be very open in your communication. Be very, clear about what do you want in your life. Maybe the situation you are going through may bring some of the challenges in, and maybe some obstacles you may have to face, but you have to be very clear on what do you want, because this is again an action card. Okay, so if you think you are done with this emotional drama, and you want to focus on your life and long-term relation, take the action accordingly, but be very clear in your communication that what you are looking for in a relationship. Okay, so if this person is reaching out to you, you have to be very clear on what you are looking for in a connection, and what do you want. If you're looking for something long term and permanent and stable, be very clear on that part as well when you're dealing with either you're dealing with the existing person or you're dealing with a new person. Whomever you are dealing with, you have to be very clear in what is bothering you, what you want in a connection, and where do you see this connection going forward. Okay, so advice for you here is to take an action for your own benefit, for your own growth. Okay, instead of being in this mode of being defensive, trying to work everything hard, no, you have to focus on your own growth, on focusing on your life ahead. Okay, you're not here to please everyone. All right, so that's the reading, Taurus. So this is a general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.